Hello, I am Sola from Saori Premium Japanese Sauce. Today, I will be making a salad using the new product Yuzu with Australian oyster mushrooms Japanese salad toss mix. Okay, now to get started with the recipe. First of all, what you want to do is open up the Japanese salad toss mix. Now, once you have your salad mix, what you want to do is lightly rinse it with some water. Now, this brings us to the end of our recipe. Wait, I forgot something. We need to add the product, the Japanese salad toss mix. So, what you want to do is pour all of it in, just as shown right here. Ooh, Now, after you've poured in the Japanese salad toss mix, you want to toss the salad around with your hands. If you are not comfortable with using your hands, I recommend you use a spoon with a fork. It tastes so nice. You can taste the Australian oyster mushrooms, Tasmanian bull kelp, and use citrus in it.